Easy Haitian red beans and rice that makes for an appetizing and flavorful side dish. Fluffy white rice simmered with fiber-rich legumes. Hey guys, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. So in today's recipe, we'll be making this delicious Haitian style red beans and rice. And we will be using the Instant Pot to cook the beans because the beans can take quite some time for it to cook. So go ahead and cook the beans in the Instant Pot by pressing on beans and chili and adjust the timer to 25 minutes. Once the beans are done, go ahead and strain the beans, but do not throw away the liquid as we will be using it to prepare the rice. Over medium-high heat, go ahead and heat up the oil. For this, we'll be using 2 tablespoons olive oil. Once you're added the oil, go ahead and add the beans and also add 6 cloves smashed garlic. I used the mortar and pestle to smash the garlic, but you can definitely mince the garlic as well. Next, add in a 1/4 cup of chopped onions and stir well to combine. Guys, the full recipe is on the website at savorythoughts.com. Once you're done adding the onions and stirring well, go ahead and add in your seasoning. And we are using the Savory Thoughts Jacmel seasoning. It's brand new and it will be coming out soon. But we will have more information about that later. Or you can go ahead and subscribe to our blog to receive more information. Once you're done, go ahead and add in your herbs, and for this I'm using the thyme and parsley. Stir to just combine and cover so that the liquid can come to a boil. Next, add 2.5 cups of washed jasmine rice and mix well to combine. Cover the pot with a lid and reduce the heat to medium-low. And once the liquid has evaporated and the rice is completely cooked, go ahead and fluff your rice. This rice is perfect with our beef stew. It's also on the website at savorythoughts.com. Guys, if you are new here, thank you so much for watching our video. We would love for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Cheers.